Guys, today I have ULEFONE 70 Pro and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connected internet but you can download your game from a Google Play Store because it is not visible in it. To fix this problem, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on your photo on the right corner. And it choose Settings, Family and their parental controls. As you can see, now we have page 3 to visible gamer applications Mobile Legends game. We need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it, enter our connect pin to parental control, and we can easily change it from page 3 to maybe page 16, confirm by understood and save. You can also turn off your parental controls by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we have all applications visible. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.